In this video, I will show you how to copy any website to Framer. So basically, a lot of sites are designed and developed in languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can fetch those codes and simply customize them yourself. And how do you actually fetch them? Framer is going to be helping you. First of all, you need to head over to Chrome Web Store and simply search for Framer extension. Let me just do that. So search in here for Framer, just like that. You can see HTML to Framer, and now you need to add it to your Chrome. Once you do add it, what it is going to be doing is you can move your site from Framer and copy paste at a time. You can basically now copy any website from a browser to HTML and eventually to Framer and modify it easily. So this is what it offers. I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.